After a mostly dry Wednesday, the potential for significant weather on Thursday could exist. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and here's what we're looking at if the severe weather happens on Thursday. We're talking about a few weak tornadoes, scattered power outages, a little bit of flooding, and there is even the potential for hail as well. This would not be a good scenario for us here, of course. Anytime you mention a tornado, it's not good, but it is a boom or bust scenario because it is also possible that we end up during this time frame with just a couple of run-of-the-mill thunderstorms, and I'll explain why in a little bit. First, let's talk about this beautiful blue sky we had here for much of the afternoon in Cape May. A couple people out on the beach here on this Wednesday. Temperatures got up to around 80 degrees over at the shore. Then a sea breeze kicked in, got us down into the 70s. We did have one thunderstorm that passed from about Millville to Sea Isle City, brought some rain during the late afternoon hours. Another shower was somewhere around Mullica Township into Washington Township. Didn't bring a lot of rain there, but a few of you did see rain. You drew the short end of the stick if you did. Otherwise, we were dry here. As we go into the evening, I think we're going to be rain-free here. I know the model is going to show a little bit of rain until about 9 o'clock or so, and I'll keep that in my forecast, but by and large, the rain, if you did see it, is over for tonight. Lows will be seasonable for this time of the year. All right, let's get back into Thursday. We have a level 2 of 5 risk for severe weather. Scattered severe storms are possible. Not a definite, but possible here. Now, the Storm Prediction Center will change this as we go into early Thursday morning. If it looks like, we're not going to see any kind of severe weather, it's going to go down to a level 1, maybe even get rid of it completely. On the other hand, if that boom scenario happens, where we're talking about tornadoes and damaging winds, this could go up to a level 3, or even a level 4 or 5 risk. And if we get into a moderate risk, that's something that only happens a handful of times a decade here. I could probably count on one hand the number of times that's happened in the past decade here in South Jersey. So that would be rare for us. I made a little workflow chart to help explain what could happen on Thursday and how we would get there. So there's 3 scenarios at play. One is dry and sunny to partly sunny. The other one is that the derecho comes from Minnesota into the Great Lakes and then makes a cut to the south into Virginia and Maryland. It misses us with the rain and the severe weather, but we do see a cloudy morning. And then there's also the scenario of just spotty showers and thunderstorms. So 2 of these 3 scenarios would mean severe weather is unlikely for the PM hours. But if we are dry and if we're mostly sunny or partly sunny or sunny, whatever, on our Thursday morning, prepare for severe weather. Here's that first scenario, and this is the one that I'm not really favoring, but you see that rush of oranges and reds moving in during the afternoon and evening. That would be that severe weather. That's a worst case for us. Here's scenario 2 and 3, a couple of rain showers or at least a cloudy morning. Then thunderstorms come through, yes, but they look to just be run-of-the-mill kind of thunderstorms here and pretty much go on without much of an issue here. So Thursday morning numbers, we are going to start out in the low 70s at 7 a.m., and then we'll get up to 76 degrees by 9 a.m. We have that southeasterly wind funneling in that moist, humid air. Dew points will be in the sticky low 70s for Thursday. Air temperatures are going to be dependent on what happens in the morning here, so I kind of just split the gap. If we are talking about a dry morning, we're going to be about 5 degrees warmer than this, what I'm showing here, low to mid 80s. So we would be around 90 on the mainland and then mid 80s at the shore. If we actually do see these rain showers, we could be a couple degrees cooler than this as well, and the shore doesn't even reach 80 degrees. So sea and sand forecast, not the best day for the beach, but at least we'll be dry between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And when you do go out during that time, it actually should be pretty nice here. But again, we are talking about potential for a wet most of our morning and later in the day with those severe thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms will be possible until 10 p.m. Then we're turning breezy, and it's a northwesterly wind. That means drier air is coming in. You won't necessarily notice it on a Thursday night, but you are going to notice it on Friday and Saturday. And look at those dew points on Saturday. This is like late September here for us in South Jersey, if not even October. In fact, this happens less than 5% of the time on July 31st at 51-degree dew points. So that would be rare territory. Jet stream, that river pair that separates 2 air masses, will drop further to the south over the weekend. That will mean temperatures below average for us. Of course, that is comfortable here. Good sleeping weather and some natural air conditioning as well. So Friday night, temperatures in the upper 50s for lows on the mainland. I wouldn't even be surprised if somewhere like Woodbine or Mullica Township gets down into the low 50s. Then as we go into Saturday, plenty of sunshine here. Comfortable temperatures. Temperatures 5 degrees below average for this time of the year. Sunday, we are going to see some thunderstorms during the day. Could even be a line of thunderstorms with severe weather. We'll watch that for you as well. Then we go into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Not washouts by any extent, but there will be a shower or two, or even a thunderstorm to worry about during the afternoons. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can find me on social media, and I have a full written update on our website, PrestonBC.com/weather, about the storms on Thursday.